Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a second account in Brawl Stars. So first, you need to log in or head inside the game. And I want you to click the hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, it will show these tabs. Focus on the setting tab, and then click the Supercell ID. As you can see here, this is the interface for opening your Supercell ID account. I want you to click the gear icon here, and then click the logout button. Now after logging out, we need to click the play without. Now you just need to finish these practice games and then we're good to go in creating the second account. Now create a name for this second account. Then add your age. As you can see, we have finally finished the practice games. Click the hamburger icon again and then head to settings. Then click the Supercell ID button here. Now scroll a little until you see the register a Supercell ID. And then click the continue button. Now, input the email that you want to use for this registration of your account. Then click the register button, and then it will send us a verification code in order for you to complete the registration of your Brawl Stars account. Input the verification code, and then click the submit button, and then click the OK. Click the continue button, then set an avatar for your account, and that's it. As you can see, we have created our second account in Brawl Stars. And that's how you can create a second account in Brawl Stars, and thank you for listening.